guys? I hope you're doing great. So today we're gonna unbox and review the Cooler Master CK530 mechanical keyboard. It's Tenkeyless, it's RGB, so I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you subscribe because I will be uploading a lot of interesting content, including PC builds. I will stream from time to time. I will do a lot of reviews and unboxings, so make sure you subscribe and enjoy the video. So the CK530 by Cooler Master is a Tenkeyless mechanical keyboard, which means that it doesn't have a numpad, which makes the keyboard occupy less space on your desk. It's RGB, and the version that I got here comes with the Gator One red switches. These are very similar to the cherry red switches, but some people claim that they are a little bit smoother and lighter. The switches are also linear and non-tactile. I'll do a sound test for you guys, so make sure you stick around. The box has an opening in it for the arrow keys, so you can try the switches on the keyboard before you buy it. The packaging seems very decent, it doesn't feel cheap. And it's not very light as well. The keyboard has black keycaps with a subtle, simple font on them. Under the switches is a brushed aluminum plate. As mentioned before guys, this keyboard is Tenkeyless, so it doesn't have a numpad. Therefore, it occupies less space on your desk. It also feels very durable with that aluminum brush plate. You can also adjust the height of the keyboard using these flippable stands. It has a really cool RGB backlight with per key RGB LEDs. You can change the RGB lighting configuration using the function key on the lower right hand corner. It has several modes that you can choose from, and you can also develop your own animations using their desktop application and their SDK. But I can definitely say that the keyboard is highly configurable when it comes to its RGB capabilities. You can even configure your keyboard RGB to play Snake on your keyboard. That was quite cool from Cooler Master. They also provide a desktop application that enables you to further configure your keyboard's RGB, macros, key maps, and profiles, and directly download them to the keyboard's onboard memory. Layout speeds and directions can also be modified directly on the keyboard using the function key. Before we move on to the typing test, please make sure you subscribe. I'll upload a PC build video by the end of this week. The CK530 from Cooler Master retails at about 99 bucks. You can find an affiliate link in the video description. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and also make sure you subscribe for new content every week. Cheers!